Looking for the perfect, guilt-free way to indulge this holiday season? Well, you're in the right place. We've got a festive treat in store for you today. We'll be sharing the most delicious, healthy hot chocolate recipes that are sure to warm your Christmas. From classic to vegan and even protein-packed, there's a cup of cozy for everyone. So pull up a chair, get comfortable, and let's get started. And remember, don't let your hot chocolate get cold. Hit the subscribe button to stay warm with our cozy, healthy recipes all year round. First, we have our classic healthy hot chocolate. It's a treat you can enjoy without any guilt. This delightful beverage starts with 3 simple ingredients: unsweetened cocoa powder, almond milk, and a natural sweetener of your choice. The unsweetened cocoa powder gives a rich chocolatey flavor, while the almond milk provides a creamy base. Your sweetener brings it all together, creating the perfect balance of sweetness to complement the cocoa. Now, for the preparation. Start by warming your almond milk on the stove, then slowly whisk in your cocoa powder to ensure it blends smoothly. Once your cocoa is fully incorporated, stir in your sweetener until you have the ideal level of sweetness. And voila! You've created a delicious, guilt-free hot chocolate. But we're not done yet. For an extra health kick, add a pinch of cinnamon. It's great for blood sugar control. Next up is our vegan spiced hot chocolate. It's creamy, flavorful, and perfect for our vegan friends out there. This deliciously festive hot chocolate uses coconut milk as its base. The high-fat content in coconut milk gives our hot chocolate a rich, velvety texture that's simply irresistible. Now let's talk about the star of the show, dark chocolate. It's not just scrumptious but also packed with antioxidants. Combine it with coconut milk and you've got a match made in heaven. But we're not stopping there. We're adding a sprinkle of Christmas magic with spices like nutmeg and clove. These spices not only bring warmth and depth to our hot chocolate but also come with their own health benefits. Nutmeg aids digestion, while cloves are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. And now for a little trick to elevate your vegan hot chocolate. Use a frother to make your vegan hot chocolate extra creamy. It's the perfect finishing touch to this heavenly Christmas treat. And lastly, our protein-packed hot chocolate. It's delicious and packed with protein. This recipe is perfect for those wanting a little extra muscle fuel with their holiday cheer. The ingredients are simple: protein powder of your choice, skim milk, and unsweetened cocoa. The preparation is just as simple. Start by mixing the protein powder with a bit of the skim milk, creating a smooth paste. This will ensure that your hot chocolate is free of lumps. Then, heat the rest of your milk in a saucepan over medium heat. Add in your protein paste and whisk until smooth. Finally, stir in your unsweetened cocoa until fully incorporated. Now let's talk about the health benefits. The protein in this recipe helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied, which can be a great way to curb those holiday cravings. And the best part? It tastes just as indulgent as your favorite holiday treat. Top with homemade whipped cream for a luxurious yet healthy finish. Satisfy your holiday cravings in a healthy way. Remember, we've explored 3 amazing recipes today: the classic healthy hot chocolate, the vegan spiced hot chocolate, and the protein-packed hot chocolate. Each one is a delightful blend of taste and nutrition. So go ahead, try these recipes, and share your delectable creations with us. For more healthful and scrumptious recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Happy holidays, and stay cozy with our healthy hot chocolate.